This AI video strategy is blowing up brand new channels with 0 followers. I've seen multiple channels using this, and the results are honestly insane. Take a look at this. Videos getting views, engagement going crazy, and the best part? No camera, no recording, nothing manual. And this video you're watching right now is made using the exact same method. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create videos like this, using free AI tools, from idea to visuals to voiceover. But listen carefully. Most people fail at one thing, the voice and the editing. If you mess that up, your video will never go viral. So don't skip anything, because I'm showing you the exact process, step by step. First, let me show you how this actually works. This entire video is divided into 4 simple parts: image generation, video generation, voiceover, finally, editing. Part 1, image generation. So first, open ChatGPT. Now on the left side, you'll see a menu icon. Just click on it to open the menu bar. After that, click on the Apps option. As soon as you click on Apps, on the right side, you'll see the GPTs section. Now click on that. Once you click on GPTs, a new page will open in front of you. Here, you'll see a search bar. Just type skeleton. Make sure the spelling is correct. Then press enter. Now you'll see a profile called Skeleton Shorts. Click on the first one, and then click on Start Chat. This will open the Skeleton Shorts GPT for you. Now the first thing you need to do is enter your topic. For example, what happens if you don't sleep for 3 days? After that, paste the prompt. Don't worry, you'll find this prompt in the video description, so you don't have to search for it. Now this GPT will generate everything for you in one reply. First, it gives you scene prompts for image generation. You can read them or simply copy them. Each scene has a separate prompt, which we'll use to generate images. If you scroll down, you'll see video prompts for animation. These prompts help you convert your images into video scenes. Each scene has its own video prompt, which you can copy and use later. And below that, you'll find the full voiceover script. We'll use this script later to generate voice using ElevenLabs. But first, let's generate the images. Copy the first scene prompt, then go to Google and search for Whisk AI. Open the tool and continue. Now you'll see an option called Add Image. Here, you should upload a reference image. For example, a skeleton image, so the AI generates consistent results. Once the image is uploaded, paste your scene prompt. And at the end of the prompt, add this line: use this reference image. Now click on Generate. This tool will create 2 images at the same time. If you don't like one, you can choose the other, or you can generate again until you get the perfect result. Now repeat the same process for all your scenes. Keep your reference image the same and just change the prompts. And that's how you generate all your images. Now let's move to the next step and turn these images into video. Now for video generation, we'll use Flow AI. First, sign up on the platform. I've already signed up and created a project. I've also generated a few videos before using images. Now go to the video section. Here, select the ratio you want. For example, 9:16 for shorts. Keep the multiplier set to 1 so you generate 1 video at a time. Now click on the plus icon, upload your scene image, then paste your prompt and press enter. Now your video will start generating. It will be in reel format, like TikTok or YouTube short size. Once it's ready, it will look something like this. Just click on the download button and save your video. Now repeat the same process all your scenes. Flow AI gives you around 150 to 180 credits. You can use multiple accounts or even try Google VO3 as an alternative. Here, I've also generated my second scene using the same method. And as you can see, the result looks really good. So basically, you generate all your images first, then convert all of them into videos using Flow AI. Now let's move to voiceover. Copy your script, then go to Google and search for ElevenLabs. Sign up and open the platform. Once you're inside, you'll see this interface. Click on the Voices section. Now go to Languages and select English, then choose American English. You'll see a list of voices. Play a few samples and choose the one you like. Make sure the voice matches your video style. If you want a female voice, select accordingly. Once you find a good voice, click on the plus icon to add it. Now go to Text to Speech. Here, select your voice model, then paste your script and click on Generate Speech. You'll get 1 or 2 voice options. If you're not satisfied, click on Enhance. This will add better emotions, pauses, and clarity. Then click on Regenerate Speech. Now you'll get improved voice results. Choose the best one and click on Download. Now you have everything ready: images, videos, and voiceover. Collect all these files in one folder and then we'll move to editing. I've already created my own script, generated my scenes, and used different images and voiceover for this video. First thing you need to do, once all your files are imported into CapCut, click on your first scene, then hit the volume button and drag that slider all the way down to 0. You'll see a check mark, a tick button. Click it, done. That scene's audio, gone. Now do the exact same thing for every single scene in your timeline. Once that's done, export the video. Now, re-import that same video back into CapCut. Click on the video, go to the Adjustment tab, then head into Color Grading. Here, adjust your brightness, your contrast, your saturation. Don't go crazy with the settings. Small adjustments make a big difference. Now turn on Enhance Quality, switch it to HD, and hit the tick button. Now, zoom in slightly on your video clip. Next step, Audio button, Sounds, File Manager. Select Devices and import your ElevenLabs voice file.
What happens if you stop sleeping for 3 days? At first,
Now comes the important part, syncing. Match your voice to your scenes. Drag, trim, adjust. Use split tool where needed. Use angle plus speed tool at scene cuts to separate clips smoothly. Now, captions. Click text, auto captions, choose template. Enable auto emojis plus auto highlights. Generate from voice only. Disable video. Generate captions and align them properly with scenes. Then add transitions using the minus icon between clips. Choose any transition that fits your video style, and keep the duration under 3 seconds. Now, if you don't see the minus icon between some clips, that means those clips are not properly cut. So here's what you do. Go to the point where one scene ends and the next begins. Place your cursor there, then use the speed tool to create a cut. Once the cut is applied, you'll see the minus icon appear. Now you can easily add your transition. Repeat this method for all your scenes. Cut properly, then add transitions to make your video smooth and professional. Now, there's one very important thing people often forget, and that is background music. Without background music, your video doesn't feel emotionally complete. First, import your background music into CapCut. Now click the background music. Keep the volume very low, around 20% to 25%. Now go to the end of your video. Zoom into the timeline. You will see your background music extending further. Now use the split tool at the point where your video ends. Then select the extra music part and press delete. Now everything is perfectly set. Captions are done, transitions are added, voiceover is synced, clips are trimmed and adjusted, voice is enhanced. Now the final step, export. Your full video is now complete and ready to publish. So, let's check out how my final video turned out.
what happens if you stop sleeping for 3 days? At first, it doesn't seem like a big deal. After 24 hours without sleep, you feel tired, really tired. Your focus drops, your reaction time slows, and even simple tasks start to feel harder than usual. But things get worse. After 48 hours, your brain begins to struggle. You may feel confused, forget things easily, and have trouble making decisions. Around 72 hours without sleep, your body starts to lose control. You may experience microsleeps, brief moments where your brain shuts off without warning, even if your eyes are open. And it doesn't stop there. Hallucinations can begin. You might see or hear things that aren't real. Your sense of reality starts to break down as your brain becomes overwhelmed. At this stage, your body is close to shutting down. Sleep is no longer just rest, it's survival.
I hope you liked the results. My goal was to guide you in a simple, beginner-friendly way, step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. Also, if anything wasn't clear, feel free to ask in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.